Hey guys, today at 679 Big Lake Robotics, we are cleaning our swerve drives. Last year they picked up a bunch of crud in the grease from the carpet and whatever else. So we're putting all the metal parts in the ultrasonic cleaner, and out come beautiful shiny parts.
Right now I am building an intake mechanism for pulling a ball up into the robot. So I'm figuring out exactly the size I want it so it can go over the bumper like this, so the ball will actually go over. Right now I'm cutting my second or third iteration out right now. I'm hoping this one will do good.